Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info. In front of me, SmartTag, Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2, and now I'm going to show you how to connect it to a not Samsung device. When normally you're trying to connect your Galaxy SmartTag to not a Galaxy device, it asks you about Galaxy device, but we can bypass it. To do that, firstly, you should open your web browser and find here UTag, and just write in the Google just UTag download. Open on the GitHub. This will be the first link you'll see. Open the GitHub, and here you'll find UTag APK download. Download the latest version of this application, and then find this app in downloads and click download. And click install, and open. So cool, we sideloaded UTag. But now click get started. Click agree. Start mode download, and wait for downloading SmartThings application via UTag app. Cool, that's it. Now click install. Click settings, allow from the source, go back, click install. Install, open, continue, scroll a bit down, continue, discover new ways, okay, skip. While using the app, allow. Cool. Now this UTag application installed SmartThings application, but it's a bit modified. So now click sign in, and just sign in into your normal Samsung account. So I'll sign in into my Samsung account, my private account, and cool. And now here click devices, add device, Samsung, find here tag or tracker. While using the app, now you can on your Samsung Galaxy box just scan this code, or you can add it manually through the menu. Just find your tag manual. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Yeah, turn on Bluetooth. Go back. Wi-Fi is enabled. And Galaxy SmartTag 2, it's discovered the tag 2. Click use location information, agree. Press the button in the center of the tag, press it. Come on. I'll try to eject the battery and start it again. Okay, connecting to your tag. Cool. So if you have the same problem, you can eject the battery and insert it again. As you can see, this is a good result. And success. Cool. So location, room, device name, SmartTag hard, save, done. And now it should download the plugin for the SmartTag. Click continue. Status is connected. Ringtone volume, so as you can see, it's updating. So wait a bit. Battery, so sufficient battery. You can enable power saving mode. You can view it on the map, but using the UTag application. So go back. Now open the UTag application and grant all permissions. So open settings and grant what it asks about. SmartThings permissions, okay. Click permissions. It's a bit strange. Allow all the time. Okay, yeah. SmartThings allow all the time location. Allow nearby devices, camera maybe not. Notifications, allow full screen notifications, allow everything. Microphone maybe, yeah. So what it asks for, wait a while, we can go back. It asks for notification permissions, yeah. Click grant, allow. Analytic and crash reporting, allow, why not? Disable battery optimizations, disable. Yeah, maybe yeah, we should disable it. Disable battery optimization for SmartThings, allow. Find my everything network, we should enable it, of course. Unknown tag scanning, enable. Sign in. I've already signed in. What do you want? Okay, continue. Looking for a SmartThings options. Cool. Right, now you can open map, click show location while in the app, map type, map theme, go back. Oh, and we should enable this feature, of course, to show search nearby. Yeah, go back, security and encryption. Here we have everything we can have, maybe. So now close it all, open SmartThings, open the SmartTag. It's connected, and click view map. Okay, now it works. We can ring the Galaxy tag. Okay, let's stop it. Cool. We can enable search nearby or something. Move around to find the tag. As you can see, it works. So now it's far away from me. Now it's closer. Yeah, as you can see, it works now. Maybe I need add, yeah, verify when I left behind, find my device, permission required, allow permissions, we should allow every permission here. Allow full screen notification, of course, enable find my, vibrate, delay before ringing, no, maybe we don't need it, volume full. Only one problem I have, I don't have access to the map, and I don't know why. But it should work. I don't know why it doesn't. So let's close all applications and let's start SmartThings again. Open the SmartTag, click view map. Oh yeah, it works. It works now. It works. So that's it. That's it, guys. Hope you can always click refresh button just to make clickation more precise. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. So please consider to leave me a like and a comment below this video just to reach more people. And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.